Okay, so the idea is to talk about the CPU time and how we can calculate it using the clock of the CPU or the definitions of times of CPU. So the CPU time is constructed from three main things. One is the instruction count, which is the number of machine instructions in the program, the number of machine instruction in the program. So I have some instruction, the number of instruction in my programs is the instruction count, is the IC. The other thing is the CPI, clock per instruction, how much clock I need per instruction, and it's the average for the number of clock cycles per one instruction. This is the clock per instruction, this is the CPI. And the third element is the CCT, clock cycle time, which is the time that one clock cycle takes. The time that one clock cycle takes in seconds. So IC, number of instructions, CPI, number of clock cycles per one instruction, and CCT, the time it takes for one clock cycle. Take those three elements, multiply them, IC times CPI times CCT, and you get the CPU time. Now, as CCT, time to do one clock cycle, is 1 over clock rate, which is the frequency, you can also write it as CPU time equals IC times CPI divided by CR. But let's talk more generally. CPU time is IC, number of instruction in your program, times CPI, the average time for one instruction, times the time it takes for one clock cycle. This is the CPU time. IC, CPI, and CCT. Thank you very much. If there are any mistakes or corrections, please tell me. This was about the CPU time and how we can calculate it, and that's it.